finally have a chance to unbox my Ipsy. See it? You see what box it's in? All right, but I will say that I was not pleased with this much choices. Like, they were pretty whack. And the boost, yeah, anyways, but let's get into it. So once again, got the pretty pink box. Well, at least we got it this time, should I say. Let's see what's in it. So we got that. We got the little newsletter, which is kind of cool. See, this month's theme is The Great Escape. And then it talks about your picks and all that jazz. Not too much information in here though. So, okay, there's that. And here's our protective packaging. We've been through this, but I digress. All right, first up, I believe this is my boost item. So my boost item is from First Aid Beauty, and it is the 10% vitamin C brightening serum, safe for sensitive skin. I don't necessarily need specific skincare because you guys already know what's my favorite. But yeah, there's that. And let's see. And it comes, is there like a, oh, you twist it and then it opens. Cool. Let's see what it feels like. There's the consistency. Does it smell? Nope, it gives very much serum. It kind of has like a citrusy vitamin C smell to it. But this is pretty cool. I will say it's probably the one thing I'm most excited about with this. Bam. So you don't have to worry about it spilling out or accidentally getting pumped if you have it in your bag or traveling. Up next, we have, it's a lot of vitamin C stuff. So this is from Rodile Brightening Cleanser. Vitamin C cleanser. All right. I mean, it looks cool, but it's just a brightening cleanser. There's a lot of skincare in this raggedy box. Up next, we have from Mishko Beauty a lip shine. It is a sheer lip balm. Let's see. And it's in the shade Worthy. So this is actually really pretty. Got the gold. And again, it's in the shade Worthy. So here's the color. Oh, so it's a sheer lip balm. Like I did, like running across my hand right there. Does it have a scent though? No, doesn't have a scent. But you can never go wrong with having lip products, like a chapstick or a lip balm or something like that. So, I mean, this is cool and all, but like, not for what I wanted in my box. Up next, we have, what is this? Oh, it's from Origins. Pretty decent brand. A well-known brand, rather. I won't say pretty decent, but this is different. This is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I think this is one of their picks because ain't no way I picked this. And I'm definitely going to have to get my picks out because I did take a screenshot. I don't remember this. Smells like a clay mask. Smells like rose. I know it's expensive, but it ain't what I wanted. I don't want skincare. Up next. Oh, we got a palette. Well, it's not a palette. Hey, I don't think I chose this. I don't know. Let's see. But this is from Tresluce Beauty. Or Tresluce Beauty. The Playa Dreams. And this is a duo highlighter. I think I did choose this one. I think I did. I don't know. I might have to run that back and see what I got. So here's the packaging. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I have seen other people like use it and they seem to like it and they look like pretty good products, so we'll see. Ooh, now this is pretty. So one is a cream. So this is the powder and this is the cream highlighter. Now this color, I don't know how long y'all been watching YouTubers, but It's My Ray came out with a palette years ago. And it was with BH Cosmetics. She had this little trifold palette, and one of my favorite, and I still have that palette. I'll have to take a picture and insert it. And I think the color was like French Toast or something like that. That is like my favorite highlighter to this day. And that's what this color is giving me. Let's swatch it. It's really powdery, so that's nice. But there's so that's really pretty. And I think it will be like nice and subtle, you know? But we'll see. And well, I guess for the purposes, well, this is like the only makeup we got. Let's watch the powder side. Or that's the cream side. No, that was the cream side and this is the powder side. Nope, this is the creamy side because it's a little moist. But that's it. So really pretty. It's like real coppery, like a deep penny color, deep penny copper. That's pretty, but it feels good. They both feel really, really nice. So yeah, so the cream side is In the Sun and the powder side is Radiant Star. But yes, I'm gonna have to insert that picture from the It's My Ray palette because that's what it's giving me. And it's super pan, like I'm probably not gonna get rid of it, but that's, yeah. So there's that. And the last thing in my box is from Ace Beauté, and it is the Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. And honestly, I honestly chose this because it was Black owned and it was an option, and I haven't tried it. Like, I don't think you can go wrong with setting sprays because depending on how you use them, you can use them a lot or not. I don't really know. But yeah, that's really the only reason why I chose it. But that's my box, so I guess we can recap. Wasn't much to see. So, got the setting spray, the Transluce Duo Highlighter Palette, the lip balm, or the chapstick. Let's keep it funky, that's what it is. The retexturizing mask from Origins, and the vitamin C brightening cleanser, and then my beauty boost, the First Day Beauty brightening serum. See, this makes me, well, kind of makes me sad. Like, I get this box for the beauty products. I think either I'm just, after the Icon box, it's probably going to be my last box. Like, there's no reason for me to keep this box when I'm constantly on the loop of being disappointed and unhappy and just not getting what I want from my box. So yeah, that'll probably be the last one. But I am waiting on my Chic Beauty box, which I really, really love. I really, really like the Allure Beauty box because it's a constant mix. Like, there's a variety there. There's surprise. I like that part. I think that's probably why I like it the most. But let me know what y'all got in y'all's Ipsy box or your Boxycharm, whatever you want to call it. Did you get it? Do you boost? Did you like your products? And I think it's because I chose late. I chose late. I know that's what it was. I chose late. Yeah. But that's okay. Like I said, after the Icon box, this is probably going to be it. So, yeah. Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video. Ting. And subscribe. And then share. Let's be peoples. Alright? So until next time, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.